Hakathong ba ki samla kynthei kintip syapang ka hok bat kamram hapo ka imlang sa lang. Ka Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Jaintia Hills ha ka skipalay kala pynlong da ka seminar halor kapang My Rights and Me as a Leader, Her World, Her Voice. Ya kadi ka seminar la pynlong ha Thomas Jones Syllad College, Jowai ha ka jingalang kabla penya da ka Dolly Lamare, Assistant Organizing Commissioner Guides ha ka jindanlang ukongsan UW Lingdo, State Secretary MBSNG, State Headquarters Shillong bat ka simbut kongsan kalami sakalitan, Vice Principal Thomas Jones Syllad College, Jowai. Ha ka ni ka seminar, lawan sementa da ki guide captain ringkat ki khna guides bat ki rangers na school baper bakan thop ka Saint Mary Mazzarello Higher Secondary School Jowai, Saint Raj Secondary School Jowai, Little Angel School Musa Lingkat, Jungshai Mi Adventist School Mi Mentedu, Achiever Secondary School Umolong, Lisi Pearl School Mukla bat ka Thomas Jones Syllad College. Ka Rosie Bang, District Organizing Commissioner Guides bat ka Shimti Nongtudu Ranger Kumkiriu Shampang, kilabatay benya ya ki khana Shampang ka thong jong ka neka program kabalong shibenta kalinti ban kantiu bat Iman CM ya ki kynthei banlong ki batip ya ka hok bat kamram kum kinong song ki badan ka jingkit kli na ka benta ka baha kamiat ka imlang salang. Kiway de ki baladon lang kilong ka Catherine Nongse STC and SOC Guides, ka Dashimti Kharkangor ASOC Guides, bat ka Shimti lang Kharbuli State Project Coordinator State Headquarters Shillong.
All of us, we are empowered in one way or the others. Why? Because we have rights. Okay, so here this program Her World, Her Voice empower every girl. Okay, we have the power. But the problem is when we have power, we don't know our power because we don't know our rights. And this seminar will help us to know that we are empowered, having our right with us. Her World, Her Voice, empoyagani, ka contain equity, ko one right ginu dene ko yarap, ginu gi guides, dene ginu gi kynthei whoever the community, kiwa kwa again wo club. Chapang gatuka concern go em gilani chapang gatuka issue go border ya kajing imbiang ki. Then next we have engagement, building leadership skills. Who is a leader here? Anyone? Okay, remember every one of us is a leader in one way or the others. Right? At home, you are a leader to your sibling, right? To your younger sister and brother. So you know what role are you playing as a leader, right? So here we will help you to build your leadership skills. Then making an individual capable to understand and create and implement their own advocacy plan. Okay, so here it also enables you to make your own plan. Once you are a good leader, you will be able to plan. And after planning, you will execute your plan. Okay, and the next is, you will also have the guts, okay, the power, the guts to fight against the issue that you are facing in your community. Okay, remember, leadership will not start from big things. Yeah. Manda ong human leader dong, ong yang man principal ni man MLA yang man leader. Leaders start from small thing. Okay, sedang ni kian, nuduk ni yung.